In healthcare, the real gap isn't technology, it's access.
We're excited to welcome Dr. Kim, CAMLS' newest researcher, bringing expertise in extended reality and 3D printing. She's here to advance accessible healthcare training.
Human-centered computing focuses on designing technology around the people who use it, accounting for real-world needs, constraints, and learning environments.
I'm interested in building technologies that are not just high fidelity, but making sure that the technology is actually accessible and affordable by these medical students, regardless of the type of resources that they have. Instead of relying on something that is already commercialized, I try to build my own tools. Right now, most of my research focuses on leveraging smartphone XR so that we can provide extended reality more in an affordable and accessible way.
At CAMLS, Dr. Kim collaborates with human factors experts, engineers, and clinicians to translate research into practical training solutions. Research like Dr. Kim's ensures high-quality training is accessible to anywhere that's needed.